Welcome everybody. Let's talk about LKCO and the jump that we did today. We broke a resistant and really important level for the last day in the week. This is really important to test this by tomorrow. This price we're gonna test by tomorrow. And if we want to go back, we're gonna go back to retrace and bounce from the other support level. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Blast the like button and let's get to it. Here, guys, the price is respected our support. As I told you, even if we we did the jump that we predicted in the last videos, and I told you if we got rejected we need to bounce from this level, and this is what we did. Look, this is really perfect. The moment that we bounce from 130 and never go back, because I told you if we go back, if to $1.27 and we go even below it, this is it would be a sell-off and the price will retrace back around $1.11. But we respected this support level around $1.30. It was perfect entry, and congrats about the people who just bought here. It was perfect entry and it's almost 22%, and we did the jump again. We passed this resistant level, this important resistant level around the $1.45, and guess what? We have this candle, perfect candle, closes above at 27 by today, and we have the price go until the $1.59. So from looking for the chart, we saw like now the golden cross happening right now the moment we got our jump, and this is perfect scenario to see it momentum change, even though it came a bit late because the jump was here. That's why we don't have to rely on one indicator, because some indicator are like late and give the sign a bit later. So it's good to use the exponential average with other indicator that I'm actually looking for right now. Now the volume is above the zero, and this is really good in small picture, and the big picture as well now is turning in the positive. And now we gonna see a bit of rejection again, the most important level that we gonna wait for LKCO. And this time, guys, the explosion, the right explosion that we gonna see if we have this turn, the point of this shape will finish here. We have it here, we almost did it here, but we got rejected. You see, I told you about this shape. We never finished this shape before here, and we got rejected around the $1.94, and we never passed the $2.10 again. So by this candle and by this week or this month, if we want to break from the downtrend and we have a breakout, we need the price go at least to $2 again, guys. And I told you there's a big explosion. We gonna see even the $3 for LKCO. I'm not even joking, guys. This is the moment of the no return for LKCO, because we got rejected here, and a big wick, as you can look here. We got rejected and we didn't finish our shape, the W shape here. So now we have another try to go at least to test the $2 this time around this level, and this is the moment of no return here. If LKCO go above and close above the $2.10, guys, this is the way, the moment that every investor waiting for, because from here we're gonna see the all-time high again, test for $4 even or $3 first. But we need to hold this momentum and never go below our support here. So this is another thing we want to clear. Let me take this off so we can look clearly together. Look with me, guys. Here, even if we have a bit of rejection by tomorrow, we never want to go below this level because this is important level we should hold at $1.45. And from the strategy point of view, you could actually buy at any price right now, but always protect yourself below here, below the $1.40. This is really important. $1.41, yeah, to be make sure to put is just stop loss here, because if we got here, we're gonna see a rejection and go back to $1.11 again. So here we need to hold above the $1.45 in order to test the $1.90 and the $2. And even if we go back and we get a rejection around the $1.79, we need the price to go gravitate and like this. Here a bit of rejection, yeah, but we need to consolidate at around the $1.45. Then we have our try to explode from the $2.10. This is important stuff, guys. This is one of the things you have to put it on your watch list, notification and everything, so you could be notified when the price go at those prices, because those prices, guys, as I always telling you, the market and money never forget. You might forget, like your laptop maybe get I don't know, like malfunction or something, but the money and the market never forget, and always remember the prices. So here the market remember the $2.10, guys, and here we're gonna see the explosion for LKCO. Just mark those support and the resistance for LKCO. So without further ado, guys, what's your take from this video? What's your price target for LKCO if you're already investing for LKCO, and when did you buy, and all this, so we could actually share some knowledge and information, and we could learn from each other some things, because we are one and here, and we try to invest like a tribe, hunter tribe, always together, and try to trade like insider and market maker. So just take it a bit by bit, because if you want to be experienced trader, it needs time and screen time to be exact. So if you want to be interested to be a hunter, right hunter, and you be to see the right key levels for any price for the stocks, join my Patreon, and is in the comment description below, where we could actually do caution one-on-one, and at the same time, if you want me to review your favorite stock, and there is a Discord channel where we hunt for exact price value, pre-market, after-market, and during market. So capitalize on this opportunity, and at the same time, plus the like button, and hopefully we see more green for LKCO for Friday for last trading session. So without further ado, guys, see you in the next video.